In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to join the Ticketmaster queue. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of Ticketmaster, provide your credentials and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now, search for the event you would like to attend and open the event page before the sale begins. On the event page, you will find important information such as the official on-sale time and details about the waiting room. As the sale time approaches, Ticketmaster will typically open the waiting room several minutes before tickets become available. When you see the option to join the waiting room, click it as soon as possible. Once you have entered, remain on that page and avoid refreshing your browser or navigating away from the site. Refreshing the page or leaving the waiting room could disrupt your position and cause unnecessary complications. When the official sale time arrives, everyone who is already in the waiting room will automatically be transferred into the ticket queue. Ticketmaster then assigns queue positions, and you will be able to monitor your progress as the line moves forward. It's important to stay patient during this process, as wait times can vary depending on demand. When you are waiting, make sure your internet connections remain stable and avoid opening unnecessary tabs or applications that could affect your browser's performance. So that's it. This is how you can join Ticketmaster queue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.